My name is David, and this is Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Jolie Rouge Paracord bracelet. What you'll need for this is a 5/8 buckle, 2 colors of cord, and each cord is going to be about between 7 to 9 feet. You're going to be working with a 4-strand core and 4-strand weaving setup. Alright, let's get into this tutorial. First, what you want to do is take your starting strands, you want to cross them over, and you want to come up between cords 2 and 3. Once you do that, you close that up. Then you bring the other cord, the end of the cord, under to the opposite side. This won't be like that for the remainder of the design. Then you want to take your secondary cord and you want to bring it through the loop created by the first strand here. Let me get a little bit more area in there. Let me zoom out a little bit. Basically like this. You want to come up, you want to come around, under, and come up in between cords 2 and 3. Then you want to bring this cord, the secondary cord, through the loop created so that it's to the right side of the cord going under. Then you do the same thing for the other side. We'll leave this off to the side for a minute and we'll do the other side. Exactly like the other one. These cords will not remain like that. So when you do it, you bring your secondary cord up through it, and then you tighten up the central cord. Alright, let's do that. Next, you want to take your secondary cord and you want to tighten it up so that it looks like it's a crossbones in the middle. Then you bring your secondary cord across all the way from the left to the right, and then you come up between cords 3 and 4 and do the same for the other side, making sure that your exit strands are coming out in the middle of the X. Then you take your blue cord or the central cord and you bring that through. And then there you go. That is the entirety of the pattern for creating the Jolie Rouge or Jolie Rouge. The reason why I named it as such is because there already exists a bracelet design named the Jolie Rouge, so I went with the origin name of the design, and yeah, that is it. That's all I'll do for today on this one. I will be bringing a second tutorial, so keep an eye out for it. As always, thank you. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And also, please follow me over on Instagram at cord_550_Dave. Thank you, and have a nice day.